weddings in Andhra Pradesh marked by value-based rituals and customs. India is a land definitely by its diversity in terms of religions, languages, cultures, cuisines and customs. The special occasions like the wedding offers the fine glimpse of the regional attributes, more particularly the regional cultures including the rituals and customs. The Telugu wedding is a concept in it that is marked by a whole range of marriage-specific customs that begin from time of engagement itself. The wedding in Andhra Pradesh metros is getting influenced by modern concepts. These influences are more in the segments of cuisine and customs that invite maximum assimilation from other cultures. However, the sown ritual and traditions have remained buoyant as ever as religious people of the state are very much passionate about the same. They ensure all of such customs during the wedding of their loved ones. Let's find out the traditional and general elements of the Telugu marriage. The pre-wedding rituals. The pre-wedding customs are an array here, and some are interesting to note. The first significant wedding custom is that of the two engagement that is locally called as the Nishchitaratham. The engagement is marked by the exchange of the pleasantries, including costumes and jewelry for the bride and the groom. Food and allied favors are also offered to be lived by the guests. Invite the symbolic value. In every culture, wedding is considered as synonymous with the household responsibilities. The Sanattakam ritual is done just few hours before the wedding and at the residence of bridegroom. The groom is offered a silver thread that he wears, and this confers the right upon the groom to have higher studies. However, Kashi Yatra is also allied adjunct, and while the groom pretends that he will go to Kashi to have the studies and would also abandon the worldly life forever, he is convinced that he should tie the knot and become a responsible household person. This ritual also offers a window to tease each other, and thus a sort of joyful fervor is built up in the run-up to the Muhuratham, or auspicious time for the marriage, preparing the bride and groom for the occasion of wedding. While the pre-wedding customs work to offer the good traditional start, the wedding is also held up in lap of age-old rituals and values that flow through them. The Mangal Snanam is pious bath that the bride and groom both take at their residence on the wedding day. It is offered to purify them for the solemn occasion. Aarti is done after the oil is applied to bride and the groom at the houses. Prayers are chanted during Aarti to shower the goodwill and prosperity over the bride and groom. The actual wedding is conducted through the Kanyadan and Pani Graham ceremonies that mark the culmination of Telugu wedding. The cuisines, as stated above, have got all-inclusive, and now more of the people prefer to have diversified catering concept. However, the ritual fervor is a manifested attribute and is served throughout the Telugu wedding.